So I wanted to do a quick video of my box that I'm so excited to get. Yes, I'm not in camera today because I just washed my hair. I don't know what that was, but that was outside. Okay, so, ta-da! Open this side up. Okay, let's turn it around so we all can see. If you don't want to know what's in this box, don't watch this video. You know, some people like to know on their own. Okay, so let's see what this is like. Oops, sorry. Found an easy portion control that won't leave you hungry. Okay, well, that's why I'm doing this. So I can get my portions in check. Okay, we got some personal information right there. You don't need to see that. Okay, so we got some books. So we got some reading to do. There's 2 books in here. And we got some brochures here. Okay. And we have the infamous Shakeology cup. And we have we have the infamous plastic containers. And that was an airbag. It must be bus in transit, so okay. That is it for the 21-day unboxing. Sorry. Thank you for being a part of this. I wish they had gave me like a sample Shakeology drink, but they didn't. What gives? So, anyway. Thanks for watching. This is short and sweet. See you in the next video.